In this video, I'll teach you how to change the finish date of a task. You know, changing the finish date of a task doesn't seem to be all that hard. I mean, all you do is just manually enter the finish date you want, right? Wrong. In this video, I'll teach you the correct method for changing the finish date of a task. So let's get started. In this sample project, I want the project management task to start on January the 2nd of 2026, and I want it to finish on December 31st of 2026, so I can track my project management work for the entire year. Most new users of Microsoft Project would try to schedule this task by simply typing 12/31 of 2026 in the finish field for that task. But that didn't work. Holy cow, the duration is still 1 day. And look, the entire task is now scheduled for December 31st, 2026. Well, that didn't work. So let me hit undo here. So how do you change the finish date of a task? There's two methods. Here's the first method. Type in an approximate duration that would show the finish date you want. Now, 5 days a week times 52 weeks, that would be 260 days of duration. Oh, now finish is the 8th. Well, let me change this down to maybe 257. Well, we're getting closer. Let's go ahead and try that again. How about 255? Yep, there we go. So a little bit of trial and error would end up generating December 31st, 2026. Now, there's another way, and it amuses me to tell you that I accidentally discovered this method just this past week, and I want to share this method with you. So to use the second method, I recently discovered select the task in question and temporarily change it to manually scheduled. Then enter the finish date that you want. Microsoft Project will automatically calculate the correct duration and then change the task back to auto-scheduled. Either of these methods will be an effective way to change the finish date of a task. Well, now you know the correct method for changing the finish date of a task in Microsoft Project. That method wasn't very hard, but it wasn't very obvious, was it? As always, I sure hope you found this video helpful to you. If it was, please like, share, subscribe, and click that notification button. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.